How to build passive income that fits you, even with a full-time job. Most people dive into passive income chasing shiny ideas with no real plan. That's why they burn out fast. Want a strategy that actually works? It starts with knowing yourself. I'll show you how to turn your natural strengths and spare time into real, sustainable income. In this video, we're unpacking the 3 key ingredients of any successful passive income plan: your strengths, your time, and your resources. If you've ever felt stuck choosing the right income stream, this video will help you find the one that fits you. Let's begin with your strengths. You don't need a fancy degree or years of experience. You just need self-awareness. What do people often come to you for help with? When do you feel in the zone where time disappears? Are you naturally creative, technical, or more strategic? Maybe you love organizing your home, making spreadsheets for fun, or polishing your friends' resumes. These aren't just hobbies, they're clues to what could make you money on autopilot. Open your notes app or grab a pen. List 5 to 10 things you're naturally good at or truly enjoy doing. This is the first building block of your passive income plan. Next, time, your most limited resource. Be honest here. It's easy to think you have more time than you really do. Let's break it down. 1 to 3 hours per week. Try affiliate marketing, selling pre-made templates, or investing. 4 to 8 hours a week. You could start a blog, a YouTube channel, or build a mini course. 8+ hours a week. You're ready to launch an online business or dive into real estate research. If you only have a few hours in the evenings, use that window to create something reusable, like a Notion template, a printable planner, or a digital guide. Use a planner or your Google Calendar. Audit your week and highlight where your actual free time lives. Finally, take stock of what you already have. Your resources can save you time, energy, and money. Break it into 3 categories. Money, any savings to invest in tools or freelancers. Tools, laptop, phone, Canva, camera, editing apps. People, know anyone who can mentor you, collaborate, or give feedback? You don't need expensive gear to start. Free tools like Google Docs, Canva, or a $10 Fiverr gig can get your idea off the ground. Make a checklist of all the tools, money, and support you already have access to. Don't underestimate your current assets. Now it's time to match your inputs to your best fit income model. This is where things click. Examples: writing 4+ hours per week. Start a niche blog with affiliate links. Creative Eye 2+ hours per week on Canva. Sell Instagram templates. Tech Savvy 6+ hours a week with a webcam. Launch a micro course. If you love writing and have a few hours a week, a blog makes sense. If you're visual, design templates. Your unique mix shows the smartest path for you. This part matters. When you align your natural inputs to the right strategy, you avoid burnout and build something sustainable. Let's be real. Here are a few mistakes that slow people down. Don't copy someone else's path without checking if it fits your life. Don't juggle 10 ideas. Choose one and go deep. Don't expect passive income to be instant. It takes setup and strategy. Clarity beats hustle. Build with intention, not exhaustion. Feeling fired up? Here's a simple, actionable 7-day plan to kick off your passive income journey. Day 1, list your strengths. Day 2, audit your weekly schedule. Day 3, take inventory of tools and support. Day 4, brainstorm 3 income models. Day 5, research tools and platforms. Day 6, outline your first steps. Day 7, take action. You don't need to do it all, you just need to do the next thing. Progress builds momentum. The best passive income streams don't start with cash, they start with clarity. When you match your strengths, time, and resources to the right strategy, everything becomes easier and way less stressful. You already have the pieces. Use what you have. Start small, stay consistent, and watch it grow. Thank you for watching. Subscribe to our YouTube channel for more tips and videos.